everyone, welcome back. Sowson here. Today I'm going to show you how to make a gorgeous creamy silky carbonara, just like the Romans love it. No cream involved, just a few ingredients. Are you ready to start cooking? Come on, let's get started. Carbonara only needs a few ingredients. Your Pecorino, and if you don't have that, it's Parmesan Cheese. Pancetta, and if you don't have that, it's bacon. I'm working with a larger pasta, do not work with thin pasta, cracked pepper at the end, and a few eggs. That's all we need. 2 cracked eggs. This is your Parmesan cheese. I'm just going to add 2 to 3 tablespoons. Cracked pepper. Take that to the side. This is the pancetta. As you can see, a little bit of fat on it. I'm going to take this large piece of fat off and use it in a frying pan just for flavour. The water is coming to boil. Do not use any oil in the water, just a pinch of salt. That's the only salt you're going to need throughout the whole dish, because the pancetta as well as the Parmesan cheese has more than enough salt on it. Just adding the fat of the pancetta just for flavour. I will be removing it very soon. Now this is the rest of the pancetta. As you can see, the pasta is al dente. I'm going to now add this to the pancetta. And we're going to keep turning and stirring this here. I am going to add water from the pasta. This is the starch. This is actually going to help it become nice and creamy. Keep moving it. Only now do I turn the heat off and I add my egg mixture. Keep turning it and you'll see it, the cream starting to form. Gonna add a little bit more starchy water. The perfect carbonara. Just enough cream, look at that. Now the cream came from the eggs, the fat of the pancetta, as well as the starchy water. We're finished. Carbonara all ready to go. Now I'm just going to spoon it up or fork it up. Let's see if I can do the right thing. Here we go. Oh, this is gorgeous. Here we go. Woo. Just spooning up. Oh, it's a bit hot, but we'll get there. Oh, this beautiful sauce. Look at that. This is what I'm talking about. Cream without cream. Look at that. And we're going to top it up with some Parmesan, some green spring onions, and of course our cracked pepper. Voila, perfection right there. Yummo, gotta get stuck into this. Gotta go guys, get on that notification button and get yourself started and you'll have full access to all of my delicious recipes. Until then, have an amazing day. Goodbye.